Hello children, this is class 10 mathematics. What is in class 10 mathematics curriculum? We know in the class 10 the course structure is like this. For the year 2022 and 23 we have unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6 and unit 7. Total 7 units. In the first unit number system we have only one chapter real number and it has 6 marks. The weightage of this chapter is 6 marks. So, unit 2 has the chapter algebra. In the chapter algebra, we have 4 lessons, 4 chapters, which are polynomial, pair of linear equations, quadratic equations, arithmetic progression. Together, these 4 chapters have a weightage of 20 marks. 20 marks. Same way, Unit 3 is coordinate geometry. Under this content, only one chapter is there. That is chapter 7, coordinate geometry. It has a weightage of 6 marks. In Unit 4, geometry, 2 chapters are there, triangles and circles. 2 chapters together carries 15 marks. Comparatively, this is little more weightage chapter. For 2 chapters, you have 15 marks. Then go for Unit 5, trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry and heights and distances. This is also a weightage chapter, 12 marks is there. Then Unit 6, mensuration, areas related to circles and surface area and volume. Both are big chapters, but the weightage is only 10 marks. Then Unit 7, statistics and probability. Both the chapters of statistics and probability. Together it takes 11 marks. So, those who aim for centum, obviously you will be focusing on all the chapters. But those who are trying to get a decent score, you can concentrate on this blue colored chapters: number system, coordinate geometry, trigonometry, stat and prob. Statistics and probability. Statistics completely formula application. Probability, if you read thrice the question paper, you are able to answer. So you can easily score this 11 marks. Out of this trigonometry, out of 12, you can get 6 marks, because sometimes the trigonometry introduction part with the identity solving questions, proof questions, you may feel little difficult. So I am here assure for 6 marks. So 6, this 11, 17, this 6, 23, plus 6, this 6, 29. So easily you can score 30 marks if you practice these 4 chapters of blue color. And here in this circle, just a tangent chapter is there. This tangent chapter is very easy. Repeated questions will be asked from the textbook. So here also you can score half of this mark. Let it be some 6 to 7 marks. So take that 630 plus 636. At any cost, if you practice these 4 chapters alone, these 4 units alone, you will get 36 marks. So based on this, you can focus and practice. Then question assessment pattern will be like this. In the school, some declared tests will be conducted, right? Like PT1, MT, half yearly, quarterly, such tests. The best 2 pen paper test marks will be taken for 5 plus 5. It is considered as 10 internal marks. Then portfolio includes your achievements, projects, everything. It carries 5 marks. Then lab manual, we will be maintaining a practical lab record for that 5 marks. So total this 20 marks is internal and 80 marks is written paper. In that 80 marks, total 100 marks. So in this 80 mark paper, First 20 MCQs will be asked. In that 18 will be direct question, 19 and 20 is assess and reasoning question. Anyway, 20 MCQs. 2 marker, 5 questions will be asked. Out of 5, 2 questions will be given internal option. For 3 mark, 6 questions, 2 internal options I think. 4 mark also, 3 questions, 1 internal option. Sorry, 4 marks is a case study question, right? So 3 case study questions will be asked. 5 marks, 4 questions will be asked. Out of that, 1 will be internal choice. So this is how we carry that 18 marks in the board exam. So in detail, we'll see what are all the questions in this 18 marks. As I told earlier, first 20 MCQ, each carries 1 mark. Section B, that is 2 marker, very short type question. 5 questions will be asked. Section C, 6 short answer questions. Each carries 3 marks. And section D, as I told, it's a long answer type questions carrying 5 marks. Section D, 4 questions of 5 marks each. Then section E has 3 case-based questions, case study questions. This case study questions are of 3 questions. 2 questions will be for 1 marker, very short question. And the third question is a short question with the internal option. Only for the third question, internal option will be given. So all the questions are compulsory. You cannot leave any of the questions. However, an internal choice of 2 questions in 2 marks and 2 questions in 3 marks and 2 questions in 5 marks is being provided. So you can choose the question which is very well known for you. An internal choice has been provided in the 2 mark question of section E also. That is in the case study question. 3 questions will be there. First 2 is 1 mark and the third question is 3 mark. It has an internal option also. And wherever you are require a diagram, draw the neat diagram even though question paper contains the diagram. And take the pi value as 22 by 7 wherever it is required. 2 power 5 is 22 by 7 or otherwise you can use the decimal value of 3.14 if nothing is mentioned in the the value is mentioned in the question paper. So this is how we analyze the question pattern. Hope this will be helpful to you. Focus on the blue highlighted chapters and do well. Okay. All the best children.